Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. So before we get into anything real quick, I actually got a package in about 10 minutes ago before I started filming this with a little giveaway for you guys. So I just want to open this up real quick. I already know what it is because I think I bought a few of them. Only two. I thought I bought more. Anyway, we have one giveaway for one of you guys. Oh, buddy, let's go. All you guys got to do is thumbs up, comment down below, hit me up on Instagram. It's right there, just saying you did it in the messages. Follow if you want to. But what I've been on lately is a bunch of people from like Trippie Redd to I guess Selena Gomez. They put out these little card lithographs, they call it, autographs when they put out an album. So I actually bought two of them. One for myself, one for you guys. Genuinely, actually autographed. If somebody wants that, leave also a comment down below, man. Do it. Even if you don't want it, I think these are going on eBay for a little bit more money than I paid, definitely, because when it comes out, it's like 10 bucks or 15 bucks or something. So that's a little giveaway for you guys. Selena Gomez, Rare album. I mean, I don't even care about the music. I don't really care about the album whatsoever. I just think she's hot. Hence the tattoo I got of Selena on my lip. Drunk in Vegas. Anyway, there's a quick little giveaway for you guys. This looks dope though, man. But hey, she touched it, boys. And also, because we don't have a sponsorship today, I'm gonna sponsor it myself. Our website, NameBranFam.com. Link is down below. If you guys want jewelry somewhat like this stuff's real. However, I wanted to make it obviously cheap for you guys, so there's like fake versions of a lot of stuff that I have down there. Also, a lot of stuff we talk about. Everything is free. All I ask you to do is pay shipping, and a little secret, you can add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping on the website. You guys have been absolutely killing it. It's weird, we're selling out on a lot of products now. Not really sure what's happening, but I've now made it my own account on PayPal, calling it the YouTube video account, so all of that money is going to more videos. I can't be more stoked about it. Thank you guys so much for that. NameBranFam.com, link down below. Alright, man, so let's just get into it. You guys know that I don't do a lot of real jewelry unboxings on this channel. The main reason, there's 2 big reasons. The big reason is, one, it's very expensive. I can't do a video always on getting real jewelry or else my setup that I have right now would be insane. Now, the second reason, I also show off fake stuff because I know the regular audience of people that are watching me probably can't afford the real stuff. So I want to show you guys some alternatives, but it's always a real good bonus actually, if we can unbox something real. We haven't done one of these videos in a long time. My setup that I have right now is this. I said to you guys in the past, I personally only wear real stuff, but we got this ring right here, we got the NameBran ring right here, diamonds, we got the diamond ring right here, and we also have this watch right here that I bought in Gucci with custom diamonds put in. So this is big. We haven't added to my personal collection in a long time, and also we haven't done any real jewelry videos in a long time. Here's how it happened, boys. I'm so excited, man. So what we have right here is a package. Hopefully I'm not showing my address this time. Perfect. From a company that has been working with us for so long. And when I say that, I really mean a long time. Like 7 years ago, they were the first people pretty much ever when I was a small YouTuber to send me something. And they're called North Jewelry. There's going to be a link down below. This isn't sponsored by them at all. He literally just hit me up saying he wants to send me some real chains that I can rock, because I guess he saw that I haven't been rocking anything lately. Reason for that is because you guys remember I bought a diamond one for like $10,000, came out fake. I ended up getting my money back, thank God, but since then I haven't had anything around my neck. So yeah, periodically over the past 7 years he's sent me a bunch of like nice chains. About 4 times I think he sent, one of them being, I think this was like 3 years ago, this NameBran pendant. This is complete silver right here. It's quite tarnished. I never really got it clean. I tried to clean it myself, but that was really dope. Also sent me some other chains that I really wanted to pull out for this video and show you guys, but I'm doing a bunch of house renos right now and everything is in boxes. So this time he said he sent me something bigger and better. I'm very excited. My neck's been feeling real plain lately, so go check them out down below. Their prices are absolutely insane, actually. Anyway, North Jewelry just sent us a new chain, and I have no idea what it is. So let's open it up, and hopefully it's going to be the new piece to add to our little setup. Alright, man, so excited. I literally actually got this in about a week ago. I've been waiting for the right time to film it. Literally have not looked or anything. I have no idea what's in it. And there are 2 things in it. What the hell, bud? Okay, let's go. So they got their logo right there. If I'm not mistaken, that's a new logo, man. I really dig that. I know he's watching this video right now. Thank you, buddy. Alright, I don't even know what one to open up first. If you guys want to let me know down below by comments if you want to see more real jewelry videos, super down. Like I say, it's a little costly. Man, you did not have to do this. Oh, and it comes with a little dust bag. Okay, or whatever the hell it is. Oh, never mind. Marijuana bag, probably. Okay, let's get into the first right here. Holy hell, man. No! This is huge. This is huge. Oh my God. Check that out. This is, I'm pretty sure you call this like a rope chain. We got a sterling. I'm assuming it's, I don't think it's white gold. I don't know what the, holy crap. Go check these guys out, man. Like I say, this is not sponsored, not paid for. He literally just hits me up and says sometimes, hey, let me send you some. 925 Italy. So this is Italian silver. 925 means silver right there. This guy doesn't sell any of that fake stuff. You know what I mean? This is all, oh my God. Oh, this is awesome, man. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I totally forgot how good like fresh silver looks when you haven't cleaned it. Like look at this compared to this used to look like that, but I haven't cleaned it in a while. That's fresh. That's a fresh chain, right? Oh my God. We must have something real special in here. North jewelry, oh my God. I'm assuming you put the best for last in a nice little case right here. Boys, I'm so stoked. Also, I just drank some water and spilled. Well, not water, Mike's heart, but yeah, spilt on me, so that's what that is there for. Oh my, oh God. The last piece you sent, man, we got gold. I have never had a gold chain. Actually, I did one time from I don't know, what are they called? Shop GLD. I bought a gold chain. It was an absolute ripoff. It was like $300 for something super, super thin. This right here is the exact same of what we just got, but in gold. Bro. Oh my God, let's check. It says Italy right here, and it's, what carat is this? 10 karat gold. You can see on a, you guys won't be able to see it, but on the clasp right there, we got another chain, rope chain. This thing is absolutely insane. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, man. I've been wanting to put out a real jewelry video for a long time. I gotta put this on real quick. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think about the real jewelry videos. I have this nice grill coming. Actually, you know what? Now that I look, this silver one is a little bit thicker, to be expected. Silver is a lot cheaper than gold, but that's kind of the comparison right there. I'm so thankful, man. Thank you so much. I am working on a, maybe something like a diamond gold grill coming real soon, so you guys let me know if you like that, the sound of that. It's definitely gonna be some money, but like I say, when you guys are shopping NameBran fam, oh my God, when you guys are shopping NameBran fam, it makes it all worth it because I can actually afford it. Oh damn, bro. And here's the other chain right here. I don't know if I would wear it with such a scoop neck like this shirt. Maybe if the shirt was like that, it'd be a little bit better, but this is insane. Real gold. We got 10 karat. There we go. I'm so thankful. I literally had no idea what was gonna come in this, man. I can't even begin to say a thank you enough to this guy, and for you guys to, I guess, give me the views where it makes sense for them to actually send me something like this, you know? Because obviously I think when people send stuff, they probably want some views in return. Oh my God. Anyway, man, that's our new piece. I don't know what one I want to wear yet. I usually go gold on my rings, but the silver one. Anyway, man, that's it for the video. He did not even ask me to make a full video whatsoever. I just, I assumed that it was gonna be pretty cool, and it is really cool. Enough for a video, and goddamn, was it ever. Thank you so much, man. I know you're watching once again. Go check him out. I would love that, boys. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys let me know, though, what one I should wear. I don't know. I don't know if I suit gold or silver mostly. I'm Italian myself, and these are both Italian, so I think I suit them both. But I don't know. You guys let me know what one looks better. It's real dope. Appreciate y'all for watching Merc in the Game, the greatest of all time. Y'all are the goats. I can't believe that people are sending me this for free. I just can't. It's mind-blowing, and it's all because of you guys, which is why I try to give back so much. Well, not so much, but I try to as much as I can. You guys rock, man. Appreciate y'all for watching Merc in the Game, the greatest of all time. Y'all are the goats. NameBran fans, real strong. Plow.